Hey there, makeup lovers! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm super excited to share some easy makeup tips that will give you a fresh, cute look in no time. Whether you're a beginner or just in a hurry, these tips are perfect for you. So let's dive right in. First things first, let's talk about prepping the skin. You want to start with a clean, moisturized face. Trust me, this step is crucial for that flawless finish. A good moisturizer will keep your skin hydrated and make your makeup glide on smoothly. If you have time, add a primer to blur out those pores and keep your makeup in place all day. Alright, now onto the base. For a fresh and natural look, I suggest using a BB cream or a light foundation. Just dab a little on your forehead, cheeks and chin, and blend it out with a damp beauty sponge. This will give you a nice, even complexion without feeling heavy. Don't forget to blend down your neck to avoid that dreaded makeup line. Next up, concealer. Pick a shade that's 1 or 2 tones lighter than your skin to brighten up your under eye area. Apply it in a triangle shape under your eyes and blend it out with your sponge. You can also use it to cover any blemishes or redness. Remember, a little goes a long way. Now let's add some color to those cheeks. A cream blush works wonders for that dewy, fresh look. Smile and apply it to the apples of your cheeks. Then blend upwards towards your temples. This will give you a natural rosy glow. Time to define those brows. Use a brow pencil or powder to fill in any sparse areas. Follow the natural shape of your brows and use light strokes to mimic hair. Brush them out with a spoolie to blend the product and keep it looking natural. For the eyes, let's keep it simple. A neutral eyeshadow palette is your best friend here. Apply a light shade all over your lid as a base. Then, take a slightly darker shade and blend it into your crease to add some depth. And for that extra pop, dab a shimmery shade on the center of your lids. Mascara time. Curl your lashes first to open up your eyes. Then, apply a coat or two of your favorite mascara, wiggling the wand from the roots to the tips. This will make your lashes look longer and fuller. Finally, let's finish off with the lips. Go for a tinted lip balm or a gloss for a natural, fresh look. It's quick, easy, and keeps your lips hydrated. And there you have it. A simple, fresh makeup look that's perfect for any day. If you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more makeup tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!